doing, Lachlan? Tell Mummy what you're doing.
Putting the peanuts in there.
We're feeding the birds, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, what we're doing today is we have deep cleaned the bird feeder, which should really be done at least once a week, but I've been a bit complacent. And now what we're doing is we are refilling all of the bird feeders in the garden, because this weekend it is what is known as the Great British Bird Watch, which is organised by the RSPB.
Yeah.
Now, there has been an outbreak of bird flu within the UK, so if you are thinking of feeding the birds, please just be careful and make sure to wash your hands after doing any outdoor activities. Thank you.